Team 5 Project 1 on Leadership, Team, and Project Management. Our team members include Kyle Gray, Kristen Hadley, Kernan McCluster, Michael O'Brien, and Bill Rose. Leadership. The definition of leadership is to lead, to guide the behavior or opinion of, to direct the performance or activities of. Leadership, the activity of leading. 3 traits of leaders: integrity, dedication, and openness. A leader is someone who is the same outside and inside, will do the right thing when no one is looking, they can be trusted, and are approachable. Dedication is a person willing to spend the time to accomplish a task, a person who inspires by example, a person who will do what it takes to get the job done, a person who puts the team goals above their own. Openness, a person who is willing to listen to new ideas, a person who will set aside judgment, a person who can supply new ideas, a person who can respect and be respected. Team. Team defines a group of people with a full set of complementary skills required to complete a task, job, or project. There are many types of teams no matter what field you are in, whether it's working for a marketing company to figure out what the customer wants or needs, to working for a bank and trying to meet certain goals, to even coaching a team on the court or on the field. Everyone is trying to complete a certain task, job, or project. Team interaction styles. The driver is a take-charge kind of person who is always trying to get things done and likes to see results. The enthusiast can express opinions and emotions, enjoys interacting with the group. The analyzer is organized, likes to make sure everyone has a job to do, and has well thought out responses. The affiliator looks at the big picture, enjoys having a good relationship with the group. Negative. The driver could be critical to team members, impatient, and dominating. The enthusiast has the ability to be very opinionated and reactionary. The analyzer can be critical, a poor communicator, and indecisive at times. The affiliator, uncommitted at times, and hides feelings. There is some importance in developing a good team. Projects get done faster, helps raise self-esteem, promotes unity and bonding between individuals, developing the right attitude, learn from your team. By splitting up the project, you as an individual don't feel overwhelmed in trying to finish it all. Helps you boost your self-esteem by having team members compliment you on your hard work and contribution to the team. Creating the right attitude and making sure that the team comes first, and realizing every decision you make can reflect on the team itself. Project management. Project defined. When you are determining the project, many different factors come into play. Defining the product is essential to a smooth process. A person will need to look at the purpose. Why are we doing this? The goal. What does it mean to be successful? And any possible constraints and hurdles that may be in the way. Project planning. The planning consists of 2 different aspects, the goals and the constraints. When planning out a project, everything needs to be considered. What is to be done, the timeline, and the cost are some of the goals. Getting within budget is key, but we will save that for a later date. Then you will also need to consider the constraints that may play a factor into everything. One of the biggest constraints would be the schedule. When managing different individuals, it can be hard to stay on schedule and stay on task. The final major function of a project manager would be the control. Along the way, measurements will need to be made to ensure that the project is on schedule and help show any problems. Communication through the whole project is key, and it is needed. Proper communication between all channels in the process will help bring awareness and will show any project processes or changes that need to be altered. The final step of project control will be the corrective action. Project management has been called both an art and a science. Without leadership and teamwork, project management cannot be successful.